So Mr. Daniel Fedoro made it to Georgia last night. So we're gonna unload it. And that's the beautiful house that I'm staying in. This is a not so beautiful shop that I'll be working in, but it's big enough. And I need to run to town to get some welding supplies and yeah, pick up some wiring so I can wire the welder up, and then go to the bank and stuff like that. So I need to get this unloaded and use the truck right now. Anyway, this guy's a trooper. You said you had a lot of problems, huh?
Yeah, laying all over the road.
You got stuck, right? That's probably where all this mud came from.
It was nice before that.
At least there's not like any huge rock chips in the windshield or nothing like that. So.
And I have a message.
Oh.
For all the New England Patriot fans who watched that Super Bowl, hoping they would win another Super Bowl with Tom Brady. My message is, you lost. Woohoo!
So there you have it.
Alright. So here we are trying to start this thing. Let's see how this goes.
I forgot which one it is, but maybe it's this one.
There we go.
What are you waiting for?
Might be out of gas. Probably just out of gas. Oh, I forgot to connect the ignition.
That may help.
David,
Now it's probably flooded.
hey Dave, do you have any followers?
I got 90.
Really?
But I haven't
People
posted
you know
anything
or
about
don't know?
cars. It's all been about my back row.
Oh, really?
So all my followers are mostly just lame people.
Don't tell them that.
Yeah. Let me stick this down.
I gotta fix the jug.
I guess so.